Good day, everyone. I'm Michael B. Elises, a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering student from Manuel S. Enverga University Foundation. Today, I'll be presenting my project study titled Fundamentals of AC Motors and Control Circuits, a training board for electrical engineering technicians and interns. And my advisor is Engineer Melissa R. Serrano. This study focuses on developing a practical learning tool that enhances motor control skills through hands-on experience. In the semiconductor companies, almost all support systems like chillers, pumps, and exhaust depends on motor control circuits. However, new hires and interns often struggle with the complexity of real-world setups, leading to errors like miswiring and failed interlocks. This study introduces a motor control trainer board that allows safe, repeatable practice for trainees before working on live systems. It bridges the gap between theory and industrial application. The main objective of this study is to design and develop motor control circuit training board. Specifically, the project aims to first, build a working prototype of the board. Second, create a training module with wiring diagrams and procedures. And third, evaluate its effectiveness in improving skill and safety awareness among interns and new employees. The conceptual framework starts with inputs such as literature review, expert feedback, and component selection. The process involves design, fabrication, and testing of the prototype. Finally, the output includes a fully functional trainer board and a companion workbook designed to enhance motor control understanding through a structured practice. This project benefits several groups. For trainees, it provides safe and realistic motor control practice. Instructors gain a standardized kit for consistent lessons and assessments. Companies reduce training time, wiring errors, and improve technician readiness. And for me as a researcher, it deepens both my technical and instructional skills, preparing me for future leadership in the field. Scope and limitations. The project covers the development of hardwired motor control training board for semiconductor interns. It demonstrates control logic circuits like direct online, forward reverse, and star delta operations. However, it does not include the real motor load or programmable devices such as PLCs or VFDs. The focus is strictly on control wiring logic and safety fundamentals. This study follows the research and development or R&D method. It focuses on designing, developing, and evaluating an educational prototype called the Motor Control Training Board. The framework shows how the researcher transformed ideas into a functional learning tool for trainees at Analog Devices, General Trias. The R&D process includes research and data gathering, design and development, prototype fabrication, testing and evaluation, and finally revision and improvement based on feedback. Research environment. The study was conducted at Analog Devices General Trias, located in Cavite. Specifically, it took place in the Facilities Department under Training and Development area. This department managed motor control systems that support critical utilities such as pumps, chillers, air handlers, and exhaust systems. The environment is ideal for the application of the trainer board since it directly exposes trainees to real-world electrical motor control operation and maintenance activities. Procedures. The data gathering and analysis phase began with a literature review to collect existing studies on traditional motor control methods and training practices. Next, interviews were conducted with engineers, instructors, and technicians to confirm common lab activities and safety standards. The design phase produced the concept and schematic of the motor control training board. After that came prototype fabrication, followed by functionality testing and evaluation to ensure that the trainer board met its educational objectives. Expected output. The expected outcome of this project is fully functional motor control training board that demonstrates key control circuits such as direct online, forward reverse, and star delta. It's also highlight proper interlocking and safety wiring. Alongside the hardware, a companion workbook will be developed containing hands-on exercises, fault simulations, and evaluation rubrics. Together, these outputs will provide an effective and safe training tool for technicians and interns within the facilities Department of Analog Devices, General Trias. That concludes my presentation. In summary, this project aims to make motor control learning safer, more practical, and industrial aligned through an innovative training board and learning module. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I am now open to your questions and feedback.